Gila. My name is Glakwa Kweenie, and I am coming here to share my chanting with you. I love chanting. It brings me back to a time and place of my ancestors, my great-grandmother that lived here and gave birth to all of her 5 sons that were born here. Only one survived. 4 of them died of smallpox in the infested blankets that were given to them by the Indian agents. But this place is very sacred to me, so I love to come here and chant and feel that connection with my great-grandmother. Her name was Glakwa Kweenie also, so I am named after her. And some of the chanting, she's come to my dreams and been with me in nature and sang with me, and I just come to share with you today. Hey.